So we're back at this again today. That's it, it's drum primed up. Got all the rest of the stuff to do now. Today we've got that thing there, that water tank. And just basically everything we can see that's down here. Tops all that lot. Right, that's the chassis, both sides. That's it when it's all primed up. It's obviously to be painted, but I wanted to put some on it to stop it from rusting up. Obviously I've got a bit more on this arse end to do. Stickle up inside. He's wanting me to get underneath and get that diff. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. Caked in cement, concrete or whatever it is. We'll blow that off. Same again down that side. Right, let's get into it. Here's that skip. Got a lick of paint on it. Oh, looks alright, doesn't it? Like brand new. That cleaning up I've had to do after that extra work I caused me son busting that sight glass. It looked like a where are we? This here. It looked like, what I call it, just a nut with a load of paint on it. So I went over it, turned out it was a sight glass for hydraulic tank or hydraulic on that gear thing. So it bust oil and went everywhere. But I think I've tidied it up enough. Smartened off. I've hit areas where, well, I've left a few areas like where pipes are and stuff like that, you know, so it don't cause too much damage. I can hit it with a finer grade and probably get a little bit closer and it's a little bit more forgiving, but this truck, this Volvo chassis anyway, at least, it's like a powder coat plastic paint that's on it. It's quite hard to get off, so I've had to hit it with a slightly heavier grit to pull that off. Let's knock some scabs off anyway. Same there with axle. Clean it up, but there's a couple of bits there that could have done with some fine on it, just so I could go a bit closer to them pipes. But can't win them all. Same again with backs of this. It says try not hitting this because obviously it's primer, but yeah, I'll let them rub that down. I've done a bit on it and weird I spilt oil. So yeah. Yeah, that's it. You know, screen's gone off, can't see what you're looking at. Anyway, we'll catch you on next one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you like this sort of content. I'm going to be adding stuff like this weekly. Right, drop a thumbs up if it's any good to you. See you in a bit. This is what happens when you dilly-dally on a job. Packing your tackle up, they fetch stuff over stuff out for you to do. So yeah, I've learned to pack up quick. Some more bits for that truck. So we're still on this job, by the way. Right, we'll catch you on next one.